prophethood of Moses, make this a blessing of God, was very easy, in a sense that when he declared himself to be prophet of God, it was easiest thing ever in the history of prophethood that he was accepted without any hitch, as we know from the Quran. Because I read most of the book, the Bible, which I found no difficulty in all of the story as related by the Quran or the Bible as I understood. So when they are reading the same book, but relating different instances altogether, Moses was not accepted that way. In fact, the Israelites accepted only in his leadership, and in as much as they would follow him and migrate from the country of Israel. It was in fact the political liberation which they had accepted, while Moses had to struggle all through his life to make them believe, and they would not. Even superficially, when they began to believe, inside they remained the same old idolaters. And he just turned his back for 40 days, and you know what happened to them? And when the time for struggle came, they said, "Oh Moses, go you and your Lord and conquer those cities for us, and then we will follow. In the meantime, we are sitting here." Is this what you call belief and the easiest manner of believing in somebody? No, but the identity, was not lost, being the Jews from the beginning. In reference to the situation in Pakistan, for instance, we are brother in ring, being the Ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then therefore, being in the case of Moses, for instance, being the Ummah of Abraham, or the other prophets from the beginning or the end. So there was no difficulty in that respect to recognize, the prophethood which has to become, whether it was Moses himself or anybody else who declared himself to be that prophet. This is right. For instance, Jesus Christ as well. There would have been, because they believed that Messiah had to come. Yes. And they didn't accept it. But it wasn't a personality they were looking for, or whether it was the prophet himself.
The fact is that with an example you quote, the result would be the same. In the nature of prophecy there is no difference, and in the nature of opposition there is no difference. Prophet of all times have been equally maltreated by people of all times. And this is what I was trying to explain vis-a-vis the first question, that this is regardless of whether prophets come with strong arguments or weak arguments, with power behind them or coming not from a platform of power, belonging to a poor people and unsupported. All these facts are irrelevant as far as their rejection is concerned. Why are they rejected? The Holy Quran explains that, and I'll try to give you the whole picture tomorrow, inshallah. Because this question which you have asked requires a very wide treatment. I'll have to explain the philosophy of religion and why people reject their prophets and what happens to them. And the Holy Quran has explained it at quite some detail at different places. So inshallah, because there is no time now, we have to say Isha prayer. If you are here by tomorrow, or will you not be? Will you be here? Alright. Then inshallah tomorrow we'll start from your question. Right? Now after all this discussion I came to understand your question much later. In the beginning I couldn't follow what you wanted to ask. But now it has dawned upon me that this is your real question, that why are people, having been provided with all the opportunity to believe in a prophet, reject him ultimately? And while the things are easy for them to believe, they still do not believe. What is the reason behind it? Is that all right? That's what you wanted to ask.